If you're an owner of an accounting company or working as a certified public accountant managing sales tax for your e-commerce clients, you already know the problem. So every client is different e-commerce platforms they use, different states where they have obligations, different products they sell, and different levels of complexity in their setup. And the sales tax software that works for one client doesn't always work for another. Some tax tools are built for small online sellers. Others are designed for global enterprise businesses and for accountants. The challenge, it isn't just finding a good platform, it's finding the right platform that can serve as a long-term partner you can rely on. So I went through 9 of the most popular sales tax solutions and evaluated each one through the lens of what actually matters to accountants, managing multiple clients in one place, integrations with accounting software, filing automation, support quality, and pricing. I looked at each platform through 5 criteria that matter specifically to accounting professionals. First, multi-client management. Can you manage the sales tax compliance of multiple clients in one place without constantly switching between different tools? Second, accounting software integrations. Does it connect with QuickBooks, Online, Xero, or Sage, the accounting platforms your firm is probably already using? Third, filing automation and accuracy. How automated is the filing process and how reliable are the tax calculations across different states and jurisdictions? Fourth, support. When something goes wrong with a client's filing or a state sends a notice, can you quickly reach a real person who understands the issue and can actually help resolve it? And fifth, pricing. Is the platform priced appropriately for the types of clients you serve, or are you forcing mid-sized businesses to pay for enterprise-level software they don't really need? I'm going to start with my top pick for accounting and CPA firms that work with growing businesses, then walk through every alternative so you can see where each one fits. For accountants managing mid-sized e-commerce clients with multi-state filing obligations, TaxCloud is the best solution. The platform handles real-time tax calculations across all 13,000 US jurisdictions, provides visibility into economic nexus, automates filing and remittance, supports state registrations, and offers a range of additional compliance services. What makes it stand out for accountants specifically is its multi-client management capabilities. You can access, review, and export client transaction data from one dashboard while managing multiple client accounts from a single interface instead of constantly switching between systems. Integrations cover the tools accounting firms actually use. QuickBooks Online has a native integration available through the Intuit marketplace. Data from other systems can be connected through the API. And for firms that prefer working directly with sales data in spreadsheet, TaxCloud also supports bulk CSV uploads. Pricing starts at $19 per month for the starter plan and $79 per month for the premium plan. Filing starts at $39 per return with volume discounts that can bring the cost down to as little as $20 per filing. There are no per integration transaction limits and no additional charges for adding a second sales channel. And here's the part many accountants don't know about. TaxCloud is one of only a handful of certified service providers in the streamlined sales tax program. That means eligible clients can receive free sales tax filing in all 24 SST member states. For accounting firms, this can be a significant opportunity to help clients reduce compliance costs and demonstrate additional value during the sales process. In 2025 alone, businesses using TaxCloud saved more than $15 million through SST benefits. As Tom Hoops, TaxCloud's Director of Filing Operations, puts it, many CPAs and accounting firms aren't fully aware of how much the SST program can save their clients. For the right businesses, SST can reduce filing costs by thousands of dollars per year, but only if you're working with an eligible provider. Support is US-based and staffed by real people. TaxCloud also offers a dedicated accountant partner program and a public directory where e-commerce brands can find and connect with verified accounting professionals. One thing to keep in mind, TaxCloud is built specifically for US and Canadian sales tax compliance. If your clients have international VAT or GST requirements, you'll likely want to pair it with another solution for those jurisdictions. Vertex is an enterprise-grade platform built for organizations managing complex tax obligations at a global scale. If your clients are using SAP, Oracle, or Salesforce, Vertex integrates directly with those systems. With over 40 years in the tax compliance space, Vertex supports jurisdiction-specific calculations covering US sales tax, VAT, e-invoicing, and other global requirements. The platform also offers exemption certificate management and bulk data import-export for large-scale reporting. Vertex doesn't publish its pricing publicly, but based on third-party estimates, annual costs typically start around $40,000. That firmly positions Vertex as an enterprise solution rather than something designed for small or mid-sized businesses. For accounting firms, Vertex also offers a partner program that includes benefits such as developer licenses, sales training, and co-marketing opportunities for partners at higher program tiers. Vertex is the right fit for accounting and finance firms managing multi-entity enterprises or clients operating across numerous countries. For most mid-sized e-commerce brands, it's simply a more advanced solution than they need. Avalara is the most recognized name in the sales tax software market. The platform integrates with hundreds of business applications, including QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, Sage, Xero, NetSuite, and many others. It supports sales tax, VAT, GST, and broader compliance requirements across more than 190 countries. For accounting firms, Avalara also offers a strategic partner program with specialized return management workflows, training resources, as well as support. But Avalara's pricing model is something accountants should understand before recommending it to clients. The platform follows a modular approach. AvaTax handles tax calculations, Avalara Exemption Certificate Management handles exemption certificates, and Avalara Returns managing filing. Each product is priced separately. Avalara does not publish pricing publicly. Based on third-party estimates, annual costs typically start around $17,000, but the actual cost can vary significantly depending on the products, filing volumes, and services a client requires. Accounting firms should be transparent with clients that Avalara, it is expensive and the subscription cost is likely to grow as compliance needs expand. Avalara is a strong fit for firms managing enterprise e-commerce brands or clients with complex international tax obligations. For mid-sized US-focused e-commerce clients, the cost-to-value ratio often doesn't justify the price. Numeral is a new sales tax platform on the market built for e-commerce and SaaS companies that want a more hands-off approach to compliance. It integrates with Shopify, QuickBooks, ChargeBee, and other systems while automating Nexus tracking, registrations, and filing. Pricing: straightforward, $75 per filing and $150 per registration. For businesses filing in only a handful of states, that can make Numeral one of the more cost-effective options on the market. However, Numeral does not participate in the streamlined sales tax program, so brands won't be able to take advantage of SST filing benefits. The platform also offers penalty protection, meaning it will cover penalties if it misses a filing deadline. For accounting firms, Numeral offers a white label partner program, making it possible to provide sales tax services under your own brand while leveraging Numeral's compliance infrastructure. The main concern is that filing costs increase as clients expand into more states. Recent customer reviews have also raised concerns about support responsiveness. For accounting firms managing growing businesses, that's something worth keeping in mind. Anrok is a platform built specifically for SaaS software and other digital-first businesses. Unlike modular solutions such as Avalara, Anrok bundles most compliance functionality into a single platform. Even its entry-level plans include exemption certificate management, nexus tracking, registrations, filing, and remittance. The platform integrates with a wide range of billing, payment, HR, and payroll systems and supports U.S. sales tax alongside VAT and GST compliance in more than 80 countries. Pricing was previously listed at $4.99 per month, plus 0.40% per taxable transaction, but Anrok removed public pricing in 2024. As a result, accounting firms now need to work directly with Anrok's sales team to understand the total cost for their clients. For accounting firms serving SaaS clients, Anrok is a strong option. One thing to be aware of is that international filing and remittance are handled through third-party partners. So if your clients have global compliance requirements, you'll likely end up working with Anrok's partner network for those services. TaxValet is a fully managed service rather than a software platform. Instead of giving you another tool to learn, TaxValet assigns a dedicated sales tax professional who reviews data, manages exceptions, and files returns on your client's behalf each month. It operates more like an outsourced sales tax department than a platform you log into every day. Pricing typically starts from $1,000 to $3,000 per month, depending on complexity, with fixed state pricing that avoids per transaction fees. TaxValet integrates with major accounting systems, e-commerce platforms, and marketplaces, including Shopify. It also works alongside other tax solutions such as Avalara and Vertex, making it easier to fit into existing compliance workflows. The key thing for accountants to know is that TaxValet does not provide a real-time sales tax calculation engine. If your client needs tax calculation at checkout, you'll need to pair TaxValet with a separate sales tax platform. It's also worth noting that costs tend to increase as clients expand into additional states, since this service is priced around the complexity and scope of each client's compliance requirements. Sovos is another enterprise tax platform similar to Avalara and Vertex, built for organizations managing complex global tax obligations. The platform supports U.S. sales tax, VAT, GST, e-invoicing, and statutory reporting across more than 200 countries. Sovos does not publish pricing publicly, but third-party estimates suggest annual costs typically start around $27,000. The platform offers enterprise-grade ERP integrations, detailed audit trails, and managed services for organizations that need additional compliance support. Sovos is also one of only 5 certified service providers in the streamlined sales tax program, alongside providers such as TaxCloud and Avalara. For eligible clients, that can help significantly reduce sales tax filing costs in participating SST states. Sovos is a strong fit for accounting firms managing large, multinational clients with complex compliance structures. Like Vertex and Avalara, it's generally not the right fit for the most mid-sized e-commerce brands due to its enterprise-focused feature set and pricing. Kintsugi is another newer platform that leans heavily into AI-driven automation. Nexus tracking, registrations, tax calculations, and filings are all managed within the platform with a strong focus on simplifying the compliance process. One of Kintsugi's main selling points is speed. The company promises a fast onboarding experience that can get businesses up and running in a matter of minutes. Pricing is public and straightforward, $75 per filing and $75 per registration. The trade-off is that costs scale linearly as businesses expand into additional states and filing obligations increase. For accounting firms, Kintsugi may be a good option because it offers a lightweight compliance workflow that centralizes multi-state obligations in a single platform. It also provides integrations with a range of e-commerce, billing, and payroll systems, including some niche platforms that may not be supported by larger providers. The main consideration is support. Kintsugi takes an AI-first approach, which may work well for some businesses, but accounting firms that prefer direct access to tax professionals or dedicated human support may find it less aligned with the way they operate. It's also worth considering the long-term fit. For fast-growing brands, Kintsugi may be a platform they eventually outgrow as their operations become more complex and compliance requirements expand. Yonda Tax is a managed compliance platform designed for businesses navigating both U.S. sales tax and international VAT obligations. It's particularly well suited for UK-based brands expanding into the U.S. market. The platform offers managed filing, nexus tracking, registrations, and tax calculations, all overseen by an internal team of tax professionals. Pricing is not publicly available. On the Yonda site, it states the pricing is customized based on each business's needs and is offered on a month-to-month basis with no long-term commitments. For accounting firms, Yonda Tax offers multi-client dashboards and white label capabilities that can reduce the amount of day-to-day compliance work. One thing to note from their terms, Yonda Tax may rely on external partners to deliver portions of its compliance service, and their terms state they aren't responsible for errors generated by the platform. For accounting firms, that's worth reviewing before recommending to clients. So let me bring it all together. If your clients are mid-sized US e-commerce brands managing sales tax across multiple states, TaxCloud is my top recommendation. Transparent pricing, multi-client management, SST savings, and dedicated customer support make it a strong fit for both accounting firms and their clients. If you're working with enterprise organizations running on SAP, Oracle, or other complex ERP systems, Vertex, Avalara, and Sovos are the platforms worth considering. For SaaS and digital-first businesses, Anrok is purpose-built for that environment. For sellers that have only recently established Nexus and are filing in a handful of states, Numeral and Kintsugi offer a simpler and more lightweight approach. If your clients prefer a fully managed, hands-on service rather than software, TaxValet is likely the better fit. And for UK-based brands expanding into the US market, Yonda Tax is specifically designed to support that journey. For most accounting firms working with growing US e-commerce brands, TaxCloud offers the best combination of automation, pricing, support, and accountant-specific tools. The SST program alone can save eligible clients thousands of dollars a year, and most firms, they aren't taking advantage of it yet.